So here we go. So now we got it on the bucket. We're gonna take off these wheels and we're gonna slide the dirt ones in. Pretty simple. Right? That's it?
Yeah.
That's pretty much what it comes down to?
Yep.
Alright, I know exactly what you're thinking. What the hell is going on here and why? Let me explain. So I bought this bike from a good friend of mine. It's KX250, all supermotoed up. Thought I was going to do a little bit of supermoto, you know, 2021, pandemic, you name it. And I had the time of my life, the biggest smile for all of about 35 seconds. I mean, look at this smile. I mean, it was great. For literally no time at all. I never rode the bike. So what we're doing now, we're going to put the dirt wheels back on it. Hopefully we can get a little bit more use out of it. And actually, I know we can. We definitely can.
We are taking off the caliper. So once we take the caliper off, then we can get the wheel out through the forks.
I see.
Because right now, if we tried to move it, it would go straight. And we won't be able to get it past the brake caliper since it's inside.
I see. That makes a lot of sense.
Take the caliper off first, which is very tight. We got the spacers too, which is good. This is a quality instrument.
Yeah, what a nice piece. Wow.
Beautiful color.
How long do you think it took us to do all that?
15 minutes? 10?
Nice. All right, dirt wheel on.
Wow, you know what's crazy? Is it might actually line up pretty good. Dude, how about them apples, man? Dude, what a perfect lineup.
All right, so now we're going onto the back wheel. Noticing that this is probably the original brake, which is good.
Yeah, I'm trying to decide if I could either...
What's the story here?
If I could either work the wheel out with the caliper on. Most times you can, but this one looks a little big, so I'm kind of debating on taking the whole caliper off first or just sending it.
Okay.
I kind of want to send it, see what happens.
Let's try sending it first.
Let's send it first.
Hey Joe, what's the name of that tool you got in your hand?
And the Bobby G Matic 9000. Never seen anything like it.
It's like confusing to use.
Yeah, I'm like getting a headache using this thing. It's like a 23 to 32 inch wrench, kind of adjustable size, and the way you put it on is a bunch of rookies over here. What is going on? Am I losing my mind? Just add on. There we go. Dude. Dude, turn this off, man. I'm getting embarrassed. Alright. Gives us more room now. Yeah. See? Alright.
Maybe that was better. Digital or classic?
Oh, there we go. And hang on one sec.
I think we're in business now.
And out she comes.
Let's go.
Look at this thing. Even this is freaking brand new, man. A true beaut.
Yeah, quite a piece.
For sale on Facebook Marketplace.
Now, no grease needs to go on this thing at all?
No, sir.
What do you need to do?
All right.
Let's go.
Get in there. Yeah. And the chain fits, boys.
Yeah, it looks like it's
I hope so. We'll see. Momentarily.
Stop. Don't say stuff like that.
See momentarily.
Don't say stuff like that.
It's all right. Well, we need hand wrenches. I think it's too short. Yeah, it's too short.
Alright, so we got the back tire on. Unfortunately, we need a new chain, which we did not realize, so we're going to order that along with all the other parts. And now we got the fender. Let's throw that sucker on. Alright, there we go, and she's done. Just got to get a few more pieces like the chain, some things for there, some other things for there. Oh, the brake, yeah, we forgot about the brake, you know, that thing. And she'll be done. Look at this. The green fender. She's looking like a real bike again, man. Wow. Yo, Joe, I think I'd say we did a pretty good job with this.
I'd say so myself.
It's a class act. Wow. Here we go. We're setting up the sale. Throw all this stuff on eBay, see what we can get for it. Got the tires. There she is. Just looks so nice. As a real dirt bike again. eBay.